If your reflection in the mirror makes you wish for a tighter jawline, you're not alone. Here are 8 non-surgical ways to say goodbye to saggy jowls. Let's start with a smile, literally. Facial exercises like chin lifts and jawline clenches can strengthen your muscles, giving your face a more lifted appearance. Next up, keep an eye on your diet. Maintaining a healthy weight isn't just good for your body, but also your face, reducing that extra sag. Now let's talk skincare. Investing in firming creams and serums with ingredients like retinol and peptides can boost your skin's elasticity. And don't forget the basics. Staying hydrated and protecting your skin from the sun are key to keeping your skin supple and firm. Feel like pampering yourself? Regular facial massages not only feel great but also stimulate blood flow and promote collagen production, enhancing skin firmness. For those seeking a bit more, non-invasive treatments like radiofrequency or ultrasound therapy can offer noticeable improvements without the downtime of surgery. Remember, patience and consistency are your best friends here. Each method might take time, but the journey towards a firmer jawline can be rewarding and most importantly non-surgical.